Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga naging kasangkapan sa pagkakasatuparan ng proyekto na ito. Bahala na po ang Panginoong Allah sa inyo sa napakaganda ninyong gawa.
Welcome back mga Momsers! Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, maligayang pagdating po mga Momsers. Inaanyayaan ko po kayo mag-subscribe at pindutin ang bell icon para updated ka sa mga ganitong videos. Ginanap ang isang groundbreaking ceremony para sa 50 permanent housing units ang nakatakdang itayo ng Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao Government sa Barangay Kilala, Marawi City. Ang 2-story duplex housing project ay tatayo sa 4 na hektaryang lupa na donasyon mula kay Robin Abdul Aziz Padilla at sa kanyang mga kaibigan mula sa industriya. Panoorin natin ito.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Today, we celebrate the 2nd anniversary of the inauguration of the Bangsamoro. It has been 2 years since we took on this solemn duty and came into office teeming with idealism, with passion, and with visions of a better homeland. Now, we are gathered again for another momentous occasion, the groundbreaking for permanent housing units, which will be the home of 200 internally displaced families from Marawi. Using these 4 hectares of land here in Barangay Kilala in Marawi City. These housing units will be built under the Ministry of Human Settlements and Development, which was able to give us a design that is better and more attuned to the religious and cultural sensitivities and sensibilities of the Maranaos, a place that they can finally call home. The MSSD, as you know, is headed by MP Hamid Bara, who is himself an IDP from Marawi. His leadership only shows that the Bangsamoro government is serious in advancing the rehabilitation of Marawi in accordance with the needs, concerns, and aspirations of those who were displaced and affected. We thank our ever-reliable members of Parliament, particularly MP Jamila Disimban Ramos and Bangsamoro Youth Commission Chair MP Marjani Mimbantas for their facilitation that made this possible. This project also would not have prospered without the generosity and openness of our donors. We thank Mr. Ruben Padilla and his friends from the ABS-CBN Lingkod Kapamilya Foundation, as well as Mr. Ronald Pineda, Mr. Ferdinand Navarro, Ms. Karima Palafox, Mr. Piolo Pascual, Direct Joyce Bernal, Ms. Sharon Coneta, Mr. Noe Tau, and Mr. Francisco Tio Laurel. You have our undying gratitude. Our shared efforts are only proof. Strong partnership are key to the successful rehabilitation and recovery of Marawi. We will need private sector players to pitch in and help out for the welfare of the public, as we have seen in Barm Bridge and in this housing project. This signals that if we continue working together, there is so much more that we can do and so much more of our people who can benefit from our collective efforts. Rest assured that your Bangsamoro government remains committed to working tirelessly for those of us who are still yet to enjoy the fruits of this new era of regional governance. The BARM is young, the region is in transition. A year on, we are still grappling with a pandemic. During this time, delays are understandable, but neglect and inactions are inexcusable. We will be the first to abide by this tenet, especially for the people of Marawi. Let our ceremony today send a strong message. Better days are ahead for the people of Marawi. Your Bangsamoro government, together with our generous partners, will do everything to make that possible, to make sure that, inshallah, Marawi can rise again, stronger, more peaceful, more prosperous. Shukran, wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah. Asyhadu anna Muhammad Rasulullah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa lahat po ng mga kapatid na Muslim at hindi Muslim na tumulong upang ang proyekto na ito ay umusad at maging katotohanan. Kasabay ng ikalawang anibersaryo ng Foundation Day ng Bangsamoro Autonomous Region of Muslim Mindanao ay ang pagbubuklod at pagkakaisa ng Tindig Marawi at ng BARM upang mapangalagaan ang napakayaman na kultura at sining yaman ng mga Maranao. Ang tagumpay ng proyekto na ito ay ang katibayan ng aming pagkakaisa ni Chief Minister Al-Hajj Murad upang makamit at tunay na matanggap ng mga kapatid sa Marawi ang tulong nila Sharon Cuneta, Piolo Pascual, Joyce Bernal, ABS-CBN employees, Rick Penson, Rema Uno, Kasama Ka, Rappler, at Vidanes. BARM, kasama ang national government. Napakaraming napagdaanan ng proyektong ito. Dahil sa tiyaga ni Sister Jam Disimban Ramos at Kukay Lau, kasama na si Mami Omel at Boji, ay nagkaroon talaga ng lupa ang Tindig Marawi sa tabi mismo ng Ground Zero. Alhamdulillah. Inshallah ay mas mapalawig pa ang termino ng Bangsamoro Transition Authority upang patuloy na maisagawa ang mga pagbabago sa Muslim Mindanao. At huwag din mawala ang tiwalang ibinigay ng taong bayan sa MILF GRP Peace Agreement. Ang mga ganitong proyekto ay dapat mapalawig pa upang tunay na makarating sa mga nangangailangan ang budget na nakalaan para sa kanila. Muli po, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga naging kasangkapan sa pagkakasatuparan ng proyekto na ito. Bahala na po ang Panginoong Allah sa inyo sa napakaganda ninyong gawa para sa kapwa-tao. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat.
Makibahagi, ano ang masasabi mo sa video na ito? Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan mag-iwan ng like at komento.